One of the things that ensued from Reg NMS was that dark pools and the fragmentation of the market made things harder. It made it harder to tell what was going on with your stock. Is IEX taking us back toward a more transparent market, able to for companies to see a little bit more better what's happening with their stock?
Well, we're trying. Yeah, I think that's part of certainly what we're trying to do. As we saw on August 24th, there's a lot about the existing exchange mechanisms that can break down without a lot of warning, and in ways that really discourage investment because it makes people worried that they might be stepping on a landmine. So at the core of what we're about is trying to get exchanges back to the business of serving investors and serving the public interest. We think that that's something that exchanges have gotten away from over the last 20 years, and we're trying to correct that imbalance.
So the public interest, I mean, this is the part of the story that really resonates with people, because the founder of IEX, Brad Katsuyama, is famous for having left a Wall Street job. He saw the market as perhaps rigged and wanted to make it better, wanted to do good for the world and for the public. Do you feel the same way yourself?
Well, that's certainly why I joined IEX because I had been, as you said, I had been at the SEC, I'd been a regulator. When I came out of that, when I left the commission, there were a lot of things that I thought about that I could have done. This was the one group in the public sector that seemed to be trying to make a constructive change in terms of the equity market structure in ways that, frankly, I felt a little frustrated as a regulator as to how much progress you could make through changing the regulations in order to do that. I think it's time for the private sector to step up and to make a difference on its own. This is one group that is really trying to innovate in a way that makes the market better for investors and corporate issuers. Yeah, I feel good about what I do every day I come to work, and that's why I joined.
Good. Well, John, thank you very much for coming over to Bloomberg and talking about IEX, and we'll wait and see what happens with the exchange application and what that means for companies and the shareholders.
Thank you so much.